Let's talk about the summary of the poem The Night Mail, written by W.H. Auden. So, the poet W.H. Auden, he takes us on a train journey where the train is not carrying passengers, but it is carrying something even more special, and that is letters. The poem starts with the train crossing the borders, and it is delivering letters to everyone, be it rich, be it poor. It climbs the hills, passes through quiet countryside, and even though it's working hard, it is moving smoothly and calmly through the night. As it passes through the farmhouse, everyone is sleeping. It is quiet, and no one wakes up. Only there's a jug kept there on the shelf. It gently shakes, it gently trembles because of the vibrations from the train. Now the train, it keeps on moving, and it carries all kind of letters. There are love letters, there is gossip in the letters, there are simple hellos, there is money, this train is also carrying the postal orders. Okay, then there are simple hellos from family and friends, there are pictures from the vacations and holidays. So each letter is carrying some or the other emotions. Some are happy, some are sad, some are neatly typed, and some are kind of messy and rushed, but they all have one thing in common, that is they connect people. So finally, when the train, the night mail, it reaches its destination in the Glasgow in the morning, everyone is waiting eagerly for the train because, as I said, the train is carrying letters, and everyone is expecting letter from their young from their loved ones. Okay, because everyone wants to be remembered. Okay, that is why the poet asks in the last line, for who wants to be forgotten. Okay, so the night mail isn't just a train, it is actually a lifeline that brings people together, and it also shows the vulnerability of humans, that no one wants to be forgotten and everyone wants to stay connected with each other in this world. Subscribe to Beauty of Language for more updates on the poems.